I went out to buy my breakfast. When I went, I saw a GPS spoof is happening very badly. I know what is happening. Yesterday, my brother came home. He don't know what the real case is. All my devices from the house are being front camera recorded and back camera recorded, and unknowingly scammers are recording it, and you don't know the case. He must have went there. uh, he went in his room, and the room he gave this to in the morning that he locked the room. So that means he was having his personal time, right? And he don't know he's getting recorded by these scammers. It's all happening behind our back. I was smart enough to figure it out, and he has no clue it's happening. So he must be having his private moment, like he might be, uh, what do you call it, watching a pornography or jerking off. So I don't know what. Look, I can't tell. He's a mature guy. I cannot ask him such stuff. He will directly say, "What do you got to do with it?" So, but he is getting recorded from the front camera and back camera. He has no clue. So the GPS spoof was happening all over me. You, you gotta be kidding me. The scammers are recording me nude from the front camera, and they know the size and shape, and they. So this is a nutcase job you've been doing, and that's why the Wi-Fi was shut. Someone must be copying it. So yesterday my brother came, and I cannot tell him. I cannot speak with him about this. I only said this. Everyone has this knowledge that front camera and back camera are being recorded by the scammers. That's the only thing I could say, and they should maintain safety as per my tell. That's the only thing. So why I am not that? Why am I foolish that I'm gonna change all my devices? Because in Chembur, when I was living, the neighbors, whatever, their act was to defame us, front camera, back camera, to know our private life, to know capture our private life. So they could use it in time and for blackmail or framing. uh, so they could have our goods, and grabbing our property, that means it's already established that what was the reason behind doing this. So that's the thing. uh, and over that police papers, I got that there is no hack and track, even though I have the extraction report, and I also have that thing configuration, 2020 configuration what was done. Police said no, it's just a update of the drive. So I thought of like, oh, let it go, I'll stick to the police words. I went in time, I did all my stuff, everything. So when the files are sold and art material is made, I only have to do my kind of thing. That what is the author's name? Did someone sold you by my name? Because all my devices have been compromised. Here's the court papers, and here's the evidences as well. So if they say it's my name, then the investigation starts. And if they say it's not my name, then I don't have to worry. I'll think of like I was looted. No money, go fuck off. I got no botheration. But if my name is involved, then I have to take actions. That's the only thing. Now you know why the identity theft is happening. So I request everyone, be careful in future. Future was set to get destroyed, but such evidences and such of my research is stopping a big chaos in the future. English, man. My evidences, my research, my proofs, the pattern which scammers use is stopping a big chaos which no one knows. Because if this thing would have been continued in 7 to 8 years, every market would have been collapsed, and there would have been nuclear wars. Trust me on this. So even though if I'll buy a house, I'll make sure that I have a bunker down, so I could my family could live. I don't care about myself. I'll roam outside. Huh? So be careful in future. The future was set, but I unsettled the chaos. And leave this tech. What this tech is? Huh? You don't like heavy pockets, right? Heavy pockets, right? You remove it from money from your hand and you pay that. Ah, wow, the boy is rich. Getting this one? What that thing scan and all this? Huh? We, you want digital world, it's okay, but you don't want criminal world, right? It will it will become a trend in few years. It has already become a trend, but at not that level. After what do you call it? That's why I am telling that my book will be the book of the century, and so last time my brother came home, and if he is getting recorded from the front camera, back camera, which I don't give a fuck and he don't give a fuck either. And this one. GPS spoof on me, they are doing it, so everyone knows they've been doing this from years. So they have to match the shape and size now. Go fuck yourself.